you want to start a 3D printing business, but you don't really have any modeling experience, so you're going to need to find some 3D models somewhere in order to sell some 3D prints. So what are some places that you can go to look to find those types of models? Well, the number one place to go is Things. Things has thousands of designers who are designing all types of items, and you can actually purchase commercial licenses to those items. Things has a really good search infrastructure, and a lot of those designers are actually on places like Instagram and that, so that if you are searching for these types of 3D models, you will run into the people who are designing them. A second good option for FDM 3D prints is actually Cults 3D. Cults 3D is a company that has been around for a long time. It's been around longer than Things, and there are a lot of really good kind of historical models that probably have not been sold very often. So if you can get a commercial license from the designers for that, you have a really good option. And again, Cults is focused on FDM. So whether you have a printer in your house or you're wanting to use a service like Teleport, you can get a hold of really good quality models that have been fleshed out and are designed for that process. Option number 3 is Patreon. Patreon has been the place where a lot of designers have hung out for a long time, to where, again, you can get access to a commercial license by joining one of the Patreons that is designing for this. They turn out new models every few weeks, and they generally have those models limited to a certain number of commercial users so that you know that you have limited access to that model and therefore don't have huge amounts of competition. Though it's important to remember that competition inside of the 3D printing space is not really relevant. The product is only one part of it. Even if 1,000 other people were selling the same product, 1,000 other people sell shoes, and yet Nike is able to do pretty well. So if you think you have too much competition, look at other areas of your business in order to focus there and increase your competitiveness. Number 4, Fiverr. If you have an idea for a product that you want to have created, you can go to Fiverr and find a 3D modeler who is able to make it for you. The trick to this is actually to make sure that you're really concise and precise about describing what your model is. Don't just go napkin sketch and say, figure it out. Send it off to someone with as detailed of dimensions and sizing and proportions as you possibly can. Use ChatGPT to turn your napkin sketch into a render, evolve those renders, that kind of thing, so that there's as much clarity as possible. Because modeling can turn into a black hole if you're trying to direct people and just give them little bits of detail at a time and then they try to model something. And number 5, designers themselves. Again, before I mentioned that a lot of designers are on Instagram showing stuff off, a lot of them don't share their files, but they might be open to it. So if you are scrolling through Instagram and you see a product that should be made or that you could get sold, the thing to do is reach out to that designer and say, hey, can I manufacture your product? I'm going to use 3D printing over here. I'm going to upload it to the Teleport service and just print off models as they're sold. You can make a deal with them where they have a royalty per item, and they may actually be open to it. A lot of the designers are interested in designing the product, but they don't really want to have to deal with the retail components of it. So if you find something cool, you can actually have them design cool stuff, and then you be the method for them to actually get it sold. So those are some ways to get some 3D models if you're not really a 3D modeler. You can find all sorts of models online. There's 20 million models online, but you can also be more creative about it by partnering with designers or discovering folks who have kind of been forgotten in order to find products that people really like and will sell really well. If you want to have more videos around how to create a 3D printing business, subscribe to this channel. We have a video all the time coming out. Have a great day, everybody.